welcome to Red Lipstick. So please excuse my weird looking hair, it looks like odd. But anyways, today I'm going to be filming an Empties video. I have a ton of Empties that I need to get rid of, and it's so weird. I don't realize how many products I go through until I film these videos like once a month. It's insane. So I'm going to talk about all the products here, let you know if I would repurchase them or not. So let's get into the video. First one here is from when I dyed my hair red a couple months ago. This is the Frieda Radiant Red Color Protecting Shampoo and Conditioner. I really like this. It did actually really help keep my hair nice and vibrant red. The red color that I used was from the drugstore and it faded out of my hair pretty quickly, but this did help like really kind of bring back some of the shininess and red, like vibrant redness to it. So I definitely recommend this if you dye your hair. I do love the brown one as well. They reformulated that one and it's hard for me to find the one that I like, because right now it's like a deepening brown one that are in the stores all over where I live, and the one that I like is the lightning brunette one, and I can't seem to find that except for online. So I definitely recommend these though. Obviously I haven't tried the blonde one, I've never been blonde, so I don't know how well that one works, but I like the range. Okay, next up is my favorite dry shampoo. This is the Herbal Essences Naked Dry Shampoo. This is my favorite. I will purchase this time and time again. I have one in my bathroom right now that is also Herbal Essences, but it's a different scent, I guess, and I really like that one too. So I really like this brand of dry shampoo. Next I'm going to talk about this product because it's kind of leaking. There is quite a bit left in here, but it went off. I had this for a really long time and I just wasn't using it like enough, but I did really like it. This is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. This is the Daily Treatment Cleanser Mud to Foam Cleanser. I really liked this and I'm surprised that I didn't use it all. Well, I guess I stopped using it when I was pregnant because I didn't want any like bad stuff on my face when I was pregnant. So during that time it kind of went off. But I really like this and I would consider repurchasing it. But I do have other products that I really like instead. So I don't know. It would have to be on sale. I've seen it on sale at Sephora before. So this was actually really good. You put it on your face and it is like it feels like a mask, like a hydrating mask, and then it kind of dries down a little bit, not too much. It's not gonna be like a clay mask where it dries down completely and gets like hard. It's just a little bit dry, and then you just wash it off and it foams up and it's really nice. I found that it makes my face look a lot brighter. It has that like lightening effect. It also really helps to clear up acne as well. Another product that is not gone is this simple eye makeup remover. This stings my eyes so badly and I was holding on to it for the longest time, being like, you know, maybe one day I'll need an eye remover or eye makeup remover, and every time I use it, it just hurts so badly, so I'm getting rid of this. Next up I have this Vaseline Intensive Healing Serum 10% Deep Healing Power Lotion. I really liked this. I hated the smell of it though. It is scented. It looks like it's like a honeycomb type of looking thing, but it smells like a little bit like shea butter, but not good. Like, it stinks. I don't like it. It was pretty hydrating. It was really nice for like my feet, my legs and stuff, but I can't get past the smell. So I probably would not repurchase this. Another lotion that I have here is the Anderson Lily number 12 Sicilian Tangerine Beach Butter Body Cream. I got this from a FabFitFun box and I finally used it up. I really liked this. It's still not my favorite though. It doesn't beat my Quench lotion that I've talked about in my favorites video, my 2017 favorites that I posted recently. It still doesn't beat that. And it's way cheaper. The Quench one is way cheaper than this, so I probably will not be repurchasing this. It was nice. It was nice to have as a nice luxury type of product, but I wouldn't repurchase. Here is my lotion that I'm talking about. This is the Olay Quench Body Lotion Shimmer. I pretty much have one of these in every Empties video. This is the best lotion. It's so hydrating. It does have shimmer in it, and you can see it a little bit, but it's not like full-on glitter all over your body. It's just a nice like sheeny shimmer. It's so moisturizing and hydrating. It soaks into the skin right away. It's not a fussy lotion where you have to take a lot of effort to rub it into your skin. And it hydrates all day. I know a lot of lotions that I have, I feel like I put them on and then a few hours later I'll feel really dry again. This never does that to me. This I feel moisturized all day. So I'm going to continue to use and love this for the foreseeable future. Next up is another product that I've had for way too long and just need to get rid of. This is the Garnier Clean Makeup Removing Lotion Cleanser. I didn't like it that much. It had a really hard time removing any mascara. So I would come out of the shower, or like when I washed my face, it would just be like all raccoon eye type of stuff. It just wasn't good. It wasn't, no. I should try something else for makeup remover. Another face product here that I have all the time, and I recommend it constantly, is the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Polishing Charcoal and Black Sugar Mask. I've talked about this to death. It is one of the best exfoliating products I've ever used, and it's so cheap. It's like $3, and it's really great at just exfoliating the face, getting all the gunk out of your pores. It's just so good, you guys. You really have to try it. Next up is a body wash from Dial. This is the Dial Miracle Oil for Beautifully Soft Skin. I did talk about this in a favorites quite a while ago, but I ended up not liking it shortly after that. I really liked the hydrating properties of it, and I really liked, at the time, I really liked the smell. But then I got kind of sick of it. Like, it was kind of gaggy after a while. It's a coconut oil scent, and it's different. It kind of smells like summer. It's kind of nice, but once I was using it a lot, like, I couldn't stand the smell anymore. So I probably won't repurchase this, but it is a really good one. If you like that coconut oil smell, it's a really good one because it's super hydrating and really like foamy and stuff. But oh, I just can't get past smells sometimes. Speaking of body wash, I have this one from Ulta. This is the Pumpkin Spice Moisturizing Body Wash. I was using it all throughout October and November, then I stopped in December, and now I have another one going in my shower right now. These were discontinued products that I got on clearance for like $4. I don't think they have this, or they had this this year. These were discontinued in the summer, and that's when I bought them, and I finally got a chance to use them in October. So I don't think they actually had this year, so I can't really say that I'd repurchase it. If they did, I totally would, because it smells like pumpkin spice. It smells like fall. I absolutely love it. It was a really good body wash too, nice and foamy. So if they do come out with these again, I definitely will buy. I have another shampoo here, which is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Shampoo. I've talked about this before. I was originally sent my very first one of this from Influencer, which is like an app. I have videos on that, so I can link those, but ever since I got this sent to me, I've been repurchasing time and time again because it's really good for really dry hair. If you have a lot of split ends and your hair gets kind of like, not frizzy, but that like poofiness that you get sometimes when you blow dry your hair, like if you have dry hair, this really helps combat that stuff. It restores the moisture to your hair. It actually makes it look like you don't have split ends. I really like this, and I like to use this interchangeably with my other shampoos. Another product that is not empty that I am getting rid of is the Sanita's Salicylic Herbal Cleanser. This is an acne cleanser. I don't currently need acne cleansers. My face has been relatively clear. You guys might notice this. This is actually a milia cyst. I get like milia are hard little cystic bumps that form underneath the skin, and this one finally like came out of the skin, so I have a really like red area here, but I don't have active acne. So I don't need these products anymore, and this is another one that I had prior to being pregnant, so I didn't use it at all during my pregnancy, and now at this point it's really old. So I'm just going to get rid of it because I don't need it, and it's probably expired. I have this product here, which I love. I get these from Walmart, so they're super cheap. This is the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. It's got my hair all over it, and it's just a body scrub, and I use it all the time on my legs. Especially if I'm going to fake tan in the summer, I really like to get those dead skin cells off my legs. I also like to use it before shaving. I know there's a little bit of controversy. People say you're not supposed to do that, but I feel it gives me a closer shave if I do exfoliate beforehand. And yeah, I just really like it. This is my favorite scent. This is the Tropical Mango one. It smells absolutely amazing. I want to eat it. It's so good. So definitely am repurchasing that. Next up, I have my favorite hairspray in here. This is the Aussie Instant Freeze Hairspray. This is Extreme Hold. Really, really good. I repurchase Aussie all the time. It's my favorite hairspray. It's the only one I found that I like the smell of it, and it doesn't make my hair super crunchy. So I keep repurchasing this one. Next up, Holy Grail, all-time favorite deodorant, Clinical Strength Secret, Clear Gel, and Ooh La La Lavender. I think they have other scents now, but this is the gel formula of this product. I find that the solid does not work as well for me. Have to get the gel. It's the only drugstore deodorant that has ever worked well for me. So I absolutely love this. I definitely recommend it if you have issues finding a drugstore deodorant that works. I have some weird random like sample products in here that I'm just gonna go through real quick. This is the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Ceramide Hair Mask. It's one of those like conditioners that you put in your hair and you leave on in the shower for a few minutes and then you rinse out. It's supposed to completely repair your hair. I do really like this. I've actually had a full size of this before, and I just found this in my sample bag in my bathroom, so I used it. I really like this. I definitely would repurchase this. I also have a Matrix Oil Wonders Strengthening Oil. I did not like this. It smelled terrible and it didn't really do anything, so I wouldn't buy this. Also, the Living Proof Frizz Shampoo. I can't really say if I liked this or not because I only got to use it once and I didn't really notice a difference. And also, these packets, when you have really long hair like I do, they just don't give you enough. So it didn't, like the weird thing about this is it didn't foam at all. So I don't know. I don't like this at all, to be quite honest. Next up, I have this Deva Curl One Condition Ultra Creamy Daily Conditioner. I got this free from Sally's Beauty Supply, and I really liked this. This is a conditioner that I was able to use several times because it came in a really big package like this. The smell was absolutely amazing. It's 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. It was really, really good and hydrating, so I loved this. I would definitely buy like an actual bottle of this. I also have some stuff from my hair coloring experience. This is the Color Silk After Color Conditioner from my red hair dye. This is another one. This is the Power Shimmer Conditioner. I don't think it had shimmer in it, that I remember at least. But it's another conditioner that comes with the product. I love these conditioners that come with hair coloring dye. They're so good. I wish like the actual conditioners that you buy in the store were like the ones that come in the box color, because I feel like they're so much better. They're just so much more hydrating. I don't know why. My hair feels really amazing after I use them. I just wish, yeah, I wish they would make all of them like that. Next up, I have another product that I got from a FabFitFun box. This is the Mineral Peel Face Non-Abrasive Natural Exfoliant with Brightening Agents. I don't know how I feel about these. Like, I've read some articles about the fact that they're not actually exfoliants, that it's like the chemical process inside that actually makes the product peel, and it's not actually your skin cells. So I don't know how I feel about these. I also found that it didn't work as well as my charcoal exfoliant, which is the sugar scrub stuff. So I can't buy into the hype of these, and I wouldn't repurchase. I also have a toothpaste in here. This is not the toothpaste I regularly use. I am one of those people who just mashes up their toothpaste. This is the Colgate Total Advanced Whitening Toothpaste. A lot of people love this, and I just can't get behind it. I don't like the way it tastes. To be honest, like, I find it a little bit too strong, and I don't feel like it does as great of a job with whitening as the Crest one does. I use the Crest 3D White. I don't like the 4D White. It's the 3D White that I use, and I just find that it works way better. So I don't know, I just can't get behind this toothpaste. And lastly are actually all baby products. I have 3 baby products in here. First one is this Johnson's Baby Shampoo. It's all watered down now because I accidentally left the top open and it got all watery, and yeah. So I love this. This is what we use for his hair most of the time. We also use a Shea Moisture one for him. He doesn't really have a very sensitive head, so his body is another story though. He has pretty sensitive skin. So I've been using this. This is the Aveeno Baby Calming Comfort Bath body wash and bath stuff. This is really good for him. He likes this, and it smells really good. It smells like lavender and oatmeal. I really like this. Right now, again, we're using a Shea Moisture one, which I like too. Those are my favorite brands, the Aveeno and the Shea Moisture for my son. So those were all of my empties. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got to find out some of my favorite things. I hope I had some good recommendations for you guys to try some stuff out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.